anything you smoke can get you high. That's what that's why cigarettes, give you a buzz because basically you're sitting in a wildfire. So, yeah, smoke gets you high, period. So that means that if anything can get you high and the government labeled drugs what they labeled them, then that means they want you gone. Because why on earth would they label fentanyl something that someone could smoke? They want these people gone because listen, it's only $2 a pill. Who's profiting from that? These people aren't coming back to get more. They're like literally passing away after one hit. So, yeah, it's a setup completely. Because why on earth, who would profit from $2 a pill? I'm sorry, those bodies are too heavy to transport to Mexico for profit. Of course, the United States government's doing it. Like, I mean, that's just my opinion, but to me, it's true. $2 a pill, you're not making any money, okay? And these pills last for days, okay? So, they're really strong. So basically, why would you sell something for that cheap? So it's cheap because they want you to do it, because they want you to give them your organs, period. That's really what it is. These are just facts. I mean, there's no other excuse because these people aren't coming back to buy more. So the dealers aren't making any money. They're not coming back because of how strong it is, and they're not coming back because usually they don't make it. And the government knows that. But why would you label it a drug at all? When you label something a drug, you're basically saying, go ahead, kids, do it. Consume it. That's what it's for. Because you could smoke anything and get high. So it's not just because you get high. Smoking anything can get you high. Anything. Guaranteed. And you could probably lose teeth over time. And you could probably, you know, go crazy and hallucinate. Yeah, that's what smoke does in general. Of course, they did it on purpose to procure organs, to gain access to children for adoption, to gain access to prisoner labor for people who go to prison. I mean, to just basically population control and federal money and adoption money. It's all money, money, money. So, yeah, that's what it's for. And technically, they can't take anybody's kids for drugs and stuff like that, but they just make them look bad, and so they break the law every day. These people break the law every day. They do not stop and think, well, I'm doing the wrong thing. No, whatever brings them the most money is what they're doing. Period. That's how it's always been since the creation of money.